Hello? Today I'm going to show you how to fix the DllRegisterServer was not found error in Windows. This error typically appears when you try to register a DLL file using the regvr32 command, but the file doesn't have a DllRegisterServer entry point or it's not a valid DLL file. It can happen during software installation or troubleshooting. Let's get started. Step 1. Fix permissions in the Registry Editor. First, open the Start menu and type regedit. Right-click Registry Editor and choose Run as Administrator. When the User Account Control prompt appears, click Yes. Navigate to the Registry key, expand HKE_classes_root. In the list, scroll or search to find the folder called typelib. Right-click on typelib and choose Permissions. In the Permission window, select your username and allow full control. Also select Administrators and allow full control too. Click Apply and OK. Step 2. Repair errors using SFC and DISM commands. Open the search menu again and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Type the following command and press Enter. Wait patiently while the scan completes. Once it finishes, run this second command. Press Enter and wait for the process to complete. Once the scans are complete, close the command prompt window, restart your computer. Hopefully the DllRegisterServer not found error is now resolved. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.